Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view old stories on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to view old stories on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to view your stories. And from over here at the top left corner of the screen guys, you can see your profile picture icons on the circle just below the home icon, and tap on that profile picture, and then you'll be directed over here on your profile section of your account, where over here you can see the three dotted icons just beside the edit guys. Over here you can see just beside the edit, if you tap on it, this kind of menu will appear, and on the third option where it says the archive, tap on it, and on this menu again at the top of the screen, tap on story archive, and all of your old stories on Facebook will be available over here. And there guys, this is how to view old stories on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.